Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Working Man Ron Doyle. Today's episode, I've got some track problems on the Vermeer CTX-160. Hopefully you all can hear me. A little windy today. I'll try to speak up as loud as I can. We're doing a little driveway project. You can see going back there in the woods. It is a half-mile driveway in Laurel, Delaware, and I was basically taking that pile of dirt that was there and spreading it out into this area and sculpting this Y-shaped driveway in right in here. The machine started bucking, and I know that the sprockets on this thing are pretty much worn out. I was going to replace the sprockets and then flip the tracks, and cleaned all the dirt out, and apparently we have got track failure. Let me turn this camera around and give you a closer view. So we're on the left side of the machine on the CTX-160, and as you can see, the sprockets are pretty much worn out. Now let's see if I can see a broken cog. Got a lot of dirt. I need to pressure wash this and I can show you better. Let me start the machine up and run it forward until it starts bucking, and then I'll show you one. See the sprocket pushing right through that. Got a bad shadow. And you should be able to see the broken cog right there. Let's see what the right side of the machine looks like. Alright, this sprocket's worn out, pretty much worn out too, as you can see. But this one hasn't broken the cogs, the steel cogs. This would be the forward direction. This would be the reverse direction. And what I was planning on doing was changing the sprockets and then flipping the track. You can see the uneven wear. More wear is going forward as the sprocket's pushing the machine forward. But apparently we have got early track failure on the Vermeer CTX-160. Sad day for me, with it only having 373.4 hours. So stay tuned. We'll do a track replacement, and I'll give you an update on what the sprockets, the lug nuts, and the tracks cost. These are factory Camsos. I haven't changed them yet. This will be the first time on the Vermeer CTX-160. Wish me luck.